Hello again. Today I'm going to introduce you to the new Zone Manager Attributes property mapping in GVERSE Geomodeling. We're going to take a practical aspect here and look at this field here in this structure. Looks like we may have some opportunity for further development, but let's take a look and see what's really going on here. I've got a cross section across the field, so let's take a look at that real quick. And we see we've got some good reservoir sands through here, indicated by the green interval here. Let's take a look at this particular well in GVERSE Petrophysics. And we see, yes, we've got some good sand in here, indicated by our UDE petrophysical model. We're looking at good sand reservoir quality by saying V shale is less than 40%. Now we can run the curve data statistics over this, over our sand, and we'll do it over our zone of interest from the detrital, which is this red marker here, down to the torquay over this interval. And we will do it over the wells that have the requisite curves. We'll create this data and we'll save it to Zone Manager. We'll just map out here, put it the net sand in here, and we'll save it to Zone Manager, which I've actually already done. So let's just take a quick look at that. Here in Zone Manager, you see I have a net sand column indicating the feet of good net sand quality. Now we can tag into that in GVERSE Geomodeling by going to the Home tab, Geosurface Model Properties, to the new Zone Manager Attributes. This is new for version 2019.4. We're going to add in from the detrital Bakken zone. We'll pick up the attribute we want, net sand, and we'll call this our net sand property map. Click OK, let it generate. And we have over here in our 2D data panel a new entry under the attribute maps called Zone Manager Attributes. We have this net sand property map, and let's just set it up a little bit to show the thickness or the quality of the sand we've got. And we're going to just do it over from say 0 to say 35 feet. That's going to be the range we're going to be looking at. We're going to turn off the contours and turn on the color fill for the property map. Click OK, turn it on, and let's rearrange the order. Let's put the detrital surface contours on top, the well spots on top of that, and we see that we have good sand quality based upon our legend over here, good thick sand quality draping over the structure, but not necessarily extending very far into the southwest end of this plunging structure right here. So we may need to take a good look at that, maybe run some economics over the thickness of that reservoir sand to see if it's really worth go ahead and drilling a couple of sites in here. If we didn't have this property map, then we probably would just go ahead and drill that. But with this new property map, we can do very quick scanning and see exactly where our properties are extending on the map, and so we can make good economic decisions. There you have it. So thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.